Good morning, Philippines!
Good morning, guys. Good morning. Good morning, guys. Si Roxy, guys, nag-i-edit ako ng video, guys. And then, when I was editing the video, me and Sammy was downstairs and there's a beep, like beep. So, Roxy doesn't like beeping. She's shaking so hard, guys, right now. So, she wants to be carried like a baby, but her body is shaking like crazy. She is like afraid. Look at her. She's shaking. She's shaking. So, she wants to be carried, like, to feel like she's safe with me. Yeah. She is safe with me. Yeah. Oh my God, good morning po sa inyong lahat, guys. She doesn't like to hear any beeping, any like alarm. She doesn't like it. Like, she freak out and you can feel, you just touch her and her body shake like crazy. She's shaking. Oh my God, she's shaking. Oh, you're good, baby. Yeah. Anyway, guys, it's been raining. Good morning. I still have to take a shower. What I did is I have a lot of problem going on. I did something online that makes me crazy. I almost leave the house to do something. It's talking about Western Union, you know, sending money. This Western Union, guys, every time you call the customer service, all you can hear is this automatic machine. There's no people. It's just a machine. Oh God, the whole morning. Now it's afternoon. I just done the whole morning. That's what I'm dealing with. And my God, so I don't even take a shower yet. Hi guys, nanginginig ako sa gutom. 2 o'clock na. And I am heating my food. And also cooking rice because as usual, it's time for me to eat but there's no rice. So yun ang problema. Let's eat. I have a little leftover rice and that's not enough. If I'm really hungry and the rice is not enough. And ang kakainin natin is yung leftover na lechon paksiw at saka meron tayong dipping sauce. This is not my mukbang channel but I'm going to film here. I'm going to yung feeling na gutom ka na and then nagluluto ka pa ng rice. Buti na lang meron akong konting rice na tira. Itong pork lechon paksiw ba? Sarap. Grabe ang sarap. Nako Lord. Sana meron kayong mga kinakain dyan. Yung mga kainin natin is mga leftover. Kasi ang daming leftover. Ang sarap nito. Sarap ng lechon paksiw. Kaya pala si Misty gumaganon-ganon. She's trying to tell me na kumakain siya ng kinain niya yung pagkain niya. So that's why she's trying to tell me na kinain ko saan yung ano ko treats. Ang ano ng ano ngayon guys, sobrang maulan. Sarap. Lechon paksiw. Yun. Ang sarap niya guys, sobra. Let's go. Walang tao ang kapitbahay namin. Ay, nako. Sobrang. Roxy? Sobrang quiet naman dito eh. Ito yung nakakaano dito sa lugar na to. Sobrang quiet pa sa guys. Ulan. Roxy! Roxy? Let's go na in. Okay, let's come in. Oh my God, you scare me. You scare me. You scare me, baby. May mga packages dito na dumating. Kabibili lang ni Tammy online from Amazon. And sabi niya, please open it. I want to know what's in there. So, hirap pala mag-open ng package. Kasi itong si Tammy, gusto pang malaman kung ano yung dito. alam naman niya kung ano yung in-order niya. Sige, mag-unboxing tayo kung ano yung Tammy's ordering. Ito yung filter. Filter, guys. Filter sa tubig. Ba't isa lang? Ay, hala, ang mahal nito. Ito yung kuan, guys. Ito yung... What happened to me? What happened to this? A charger to ultraviolet because nimboto. Bumoto, so bumili siya ulit nito. Yung parang charge sa ultraviolet na mag ano ng iron. I don't know how to explain, but yun siya. He got two. Ito talagang si Tammy, kaloka talaga. Ito yung problema ko. Kapag may mga pinapanood ako, wala akong masyadong magawa. I'm here, sitting down. Well, actually, I'm also editing a video. I edited 2 videos, uploaded that videos, and while watching that. So, yun yung ano ko. Kapag may mga pinapanood ako, parang na-interesa ako, wala na akong nagawa. Ganon talaga ako. Like yung nanonood ako ng mga movies na, mga Korean teleseries, mga Korean telenovela. Yun talaga, nakaka-addict talaga for sure yun. Ang pinapanood ko ngayon is The Crown. And, so yun. Ano ng time, guys? It's 9:25 na ng gabi. And I'm going to end this video. Thank you all, guys, so much for watching. And, yeah, so, wala akong masyadong nagawa. I'm really bad at this. Look at this. 3 workouts and 3 that I don't do also. But anyway, let's do exercise and who brought up the bone? Who brought up the bone? Get down, you behave. I told you you cannot just keep doing it. Who brought up the bone here? You did? You did it. You did. You did. Oh, you wanna go out? Is that what you want? Oh, you're dying to go out? Is that what it is? You want to pee-pee and poo-poo out? No, I want to go out. Did you eat your din-din? Who did it? Aday, makahubo. Mampukuhan yun. Si Misty, tingnan niyo. Sobrang bulky kasi ni Misty. Bulky man kasi ikaw, Mets. You're bulky. Okay, let's go outside. This is my little boy. I love him. I love my little boy. I do. I do love my little boy. Yes, your mama's little boy. Oh, look at this. Oh, come here. Come, mama. Let mama rub your belly. I love you, belly. Anyway, guys. So, let's cook. Alam nyo ba kung ano yung lulutuin ko? Mag-ginataan tayo ng squash, shrimp, and spinach. Sana labo, di ba sa atin yung labo? Dapat masarap ito sana. Ganon. Okay man siya, pero I'm going to cook this with the coconut milk and imumukbang natin. Hala ka diha. Hala ka, kalabo. Hala. Oy, bakit hindi ka mabubuak? Hold on, guys, ha. Sana ito, labo. Standing by my window, listening for your call. Deep inside this heart of mine, I just love you. Wala ako nun. Pag sure ba? Nabuang na dyan nirong kanabutana ba? Ay, meron ako, guys. Thank God! Kasi pag wala tayo nito, kaloka, diba? Hala, may ginataang mix pa dito, oh. Hala, itry nga natin din ito. Paano ba to? Hold on. Next time ko na lang to gamitin. Ang unahin natin is, ito na lang yung gamitin natin sa can. Chicken. Onion. Okay? Si onion. Masarap yung ginataan pag may ginger. Yan. Ginger is good. Ginger siya. And then, ang bango, guys. Yung ginger, guys. Ang bango. And then, ito din. Ilagay ko to lahat para maraming dahon. Spinach. Yan. And then, ito siya. Wait! Oh my God! Ito siya. Lutuin lang natin siya and then kukunin natin. Yun yung payo ni pambansang kulokoy. Basta, yung panlasang Pinoy, hindi pala pambansang kulokoy. Panlasang Pinoy, yun ang payo niya. Pagkatapos mong lutuin, kunin mo agad para hindi ma-overcook. Then, we are going to open this, guys. Yun, yung shrimp is, ano na yung shrimp, guys? Luto na siya. Hindi pala talaga siya luto, taniluto. Pero, kukunin natin siya. Individual. Guys, ang ganda talaga ng ano, guys, yung show na ano, The Crown. Ang ganda. Ito siya, guys. Yan. Ilagay natin siya, jetcher. And then, the next steps is, lagyan natin ng shrimp paste. Shrimp paste, guys. Ang bango nito. Shrimp paste. Alamang, ito yung Fil-Am ginisang bagoong. Ito siya. Lagyan natin yan. Yun. Ito siya. Shrimp paste. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my goodness. Ang bango. Ang bango, guys. Grabe. Yeah. Oh my God. Tignan nyo yun, guys. Gusto ko siya lagyan konti ng tubig para hindi talaga siya pure yung... Kasi, di ba kapag pure na pure, parang walang... Dapat may konting ano siya. Yun lang. Very konti. Very konti. And, ilagay natin si... Alam nyo na. Lemongrass. Peppercorn. Okay? Kasi gusto ko yung peppercorn, guys. If you know me, this is what I like. A lot of peppercorn. Kasi meron naman tayong nilagay na shrimp paste. Yan. So, palutuin muna natin. Gusto ko yung squash na sobrang lutong-luto talaga. As in, yung lutong-luto talaga na pwede mo na siyang ma-mix sa rice. Ilagay natin si shrimp paste. Hi, shrimp paste. Ito, ilagay natin shrimp paste. Oh my God! Oh my goodness. Sarap nito. Greeny itong ano natin. Tignan niyo, punong-puno. Kasi ito na. Finally done. Done. Oh my God, excited ako nito, guys. Magmukbang. Excited ako. Yung shrimp, yung kalbasa, yung spinach. Oh my God. Yung cloud, ay tingnan nyo yan. Grabe ang hangin, guys. Ang lakas. Oh, it's right there, oh. Pakita ko nga sa inyo, guys. Ganda na eh. Ang ganda, oh. Diba? Okay, guys. Dito na naman tayo sa baba, guys. Hindi muna tayo mag-ano sa taas. Punta kasi relax muna tayo. Palagi na lang akong nag-i-edit. Nakakapagod yung mag-edit and then puro na lang edit yung iniisip mo. And then wala ka nang magawa kundi edit ng edit. So yun. And then, guys, nakakatakot. Okay. It's time to go upstairs. Tulog na yung mga tao ba? I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye. Good night, guys. Good night. Good night, guys. Good night.